A big welcome to everyone. Now this is part of a new playlist for beginners, still for beginners, still in the beginners section, but it's another level up. It's a little bit more than just reading simple sentences about Basil the cat. This one is guided reading exercises. So, or Ģelēded, rāding, sōþes, Ealdenglisc, Dēl Ān. So in this video, we begin reading real Old English sentences for the first time. They are short, clear, and carefully chosen, but they reflect the rhythm and structure of authentic prose. So you may notice that the style feels slightly different from our earlier guided stories, Basil Cat. That's intentional. Everything in these sentences builds directly on what you already know: strong and weak verbs, noun cases, word order, and pronouns. The aim is not to analyse grammar, not yet, but to experience reading Old English as it was actually written. So take your time, look for the verb first, remember that old rule, and trust your understanding. Okay, so let's make a start. All right, and I can probably stick up there for the moment. So, after tham kom se koning, after that the king came. So in this lesson, we begin reading real Old English sentences. They are short, they are authentic in style, and everything in them builds on what you already know. So here we go, make a start. And I'll probably put that down there for the moment. And so as not to distract everybody, let me hide that. All right, so here we go. Thā kom se koning to tham tuna. Then the king came to the town. And he sat on tham tuna, and he sat in the town. There waren men on tham tuna, then there were men in the town. Hier Yasawan thona koning, and luvedon hina, they saw the king and loved him. Varthamthe he was good, here luvedon hina, because he was good, they loved him. Just earlier, that word, a couple of slides back, men, men, it doesn't just mean males, it means people. So it can refer to a group of men, two or more men, it can refer to two or more people, male or female. Okay? So it just refers people in general. It's being translated here as men. So I don't want to cause any confusion there. Thā kom he eft to tham tuna and sat mid tham men, with the people, right? Sat. Then he came again to the town and sat with the men, but he could have sat with the people too. All right. Okay, now for the first time ever in these videos, I'm going to present you this section of text, and I'll read through it, and then I'll give you a moment, think about yourself, about translating it, and then we'll have a look at the solution on the next page. So it's up to you to try and translate this. I'll read it out to you and then give you a moment. And perhaps after I finish reading out, you can stop it, have a think about it, look at it on the screen, stop the video, look at it on the screen and see what you think, and then compare it with the answer next. You can spend time, if you like, and write down what you think the translation is. All right. And you'll see more of this in future videos as well. Thā kom se koning to tham tuna, and he sat on tham tuna. There waren men on tham tuna, and hier Yasawan thona koning, and luvedon hina. Varthamthe he was gold. There kom he eft to tham tuna, and sat mid tham men. Now, I've just realised too, that E there, here, it's not supposed to be there. The word is ye, one. There's no E there, it's just an error. My apologies, it's managed to escape checking. So just be aware of that. There's no E just here, it's a mistake. All right, so have a think about that. Maybe stop the video for a while and have a think about it and see if you can translate it if you want. stop the video for a while and write down what you think the translation is. All right, so I'll go on to the next bit now. And the answer is, then the king came to the town, and he sat in the town. Then there were men in the town. They saw the king and loved him. Because he was good, they loved him. Then he came again to the town and sat with the men. All right, so that's where we stand. And perhaps stop hiding that. All right, now, just a reading strategy reminder. Yserch arist, that verb. Look first, that verb, for the verb. Thona yserch hwa hit deith, then see who does it. Then see, right, observe, saw, who it did. Or who does it. All right. Here we go, next one. All right. Thank the for them there ye thus rawe Ģelēded. Thank you for watching this series. Thank you for this series, or you, this series, row of things, series of things, watching, observing, taking note of. Ichem farlokende to Jesona eo ele on thara stan. Okay, I am looking forward, looking to see you, plural, all you, in the next one. All right. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Wherever you are, please take care of yourselves. Keep learning, keep growing, keep developing. It's very important in life to keep learning and keep making progress, keep growing. And if you will, please push the like button and the subscribe button. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. All right, bye for now.